Spatial channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download high quality image from Google Earth Pro. So it is of free and you can just export it into JPEG file format. So now you can see here this is of a site which is located in England. So I'm going to download the image of this region. So for that we have to select the appropriate location and you have to go zoom in to location which we are clearer. So you could see here the resolution, this very high resolution imagery. Now in order to save this, go to the option save image, that can be found on the top, save image. Click here. Now in the map option, if you need, you can just click the title, legend, scale and compass. Otherwise just leave it as it is. Defaultly it will be shown here. That can be removed by just clicking over here. And now in the resolution, select the resolution current and select to the maximum resolution 4800 into 2761, and now hit the button save. You will be asked where to save this image. Save it to the location which you are interested in. Name the file and it is just available in JPEG file format. Hit the button save. It would be exported. Based on your internet speed, it might be taking around 1 minute, or if you're having a good internet speed, it will be finished within 15 to 20 seconds. So the image has been successfully exported. Let us check how the image looks like. So let me open my file manager. Here I have saved it in the KML file format, KML file location, and you can see the image. It is around 9.3 MB. I'm just going to open this image. You could just check the resolution of the image, how clarity is the image looks like. It is of really high resolution imagery. It can be useful for mapping and survey. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.